You have bad breath. No, I don't have it. Really? Angel, you say you don't have bad breath? Okay. Remember that night that you ate swear? You ate all the pepper spices and all the onions, plenty onions that was inside the swear. You consume all. And because you spent a lot, you failed to brush your teeth and you went to bed. Waking up in the morning, by the time you open your mouth, it was horrible, unpleasant. That is halitosis, bad breath, and you say you don't have it. Eat for me. She baby, you say you don't have halitosis? Remember that night that you ate vegetable soup with packet shirt, also known as fufu? Consumed the whole 3 wrap of that packet shirt, and it became so heavy that you didn't bother to brush your teeth. You went straight to bed, and by the time you wake up in the morning to greet good morning, such an unpleasant smell. The whole flies around you was just giving way because of the unpleasant smell from your mouth. That is halitosis, bad breath. Wait for me, I'm coming. Ify baby, you say you don't have bad breath, right? You don't have halitosis. Remember that night you say you don't want to eat heavy food because you're washing your weight, so you choose to eat banana and groundnut. You almost emptied 1 bottle of groundnut that night. You didn't bother to brush your teeth. You went to bed. By the time you wake up in the morning to say good morning, yes, smell so horrible, unpleasant, offensive. That is halitosis, bad breath. And you say you don't have it. Jennifer, you say you don't have halitosis, right? Remember that day having toothache? It was terrible. You didn't brush your teeth, opening your mouth to greet the smell. The smell was terrible. It was hell. That is halitosis, bad breath. Mommy Angel, you say you don't have halitosis. You understand? Remember that day that you went to check your blood pressure and you were told that your BP was high? Someone advised you to chew garlic instead of taking hypertensive medication, and you went on chewing garlic, eating garlic. Everything was garlic. Rice, garlic, beans, garlic, meat, garlic, stew, garlic, everything garlic. You are chewing garlic. You are wearing garlic as a second clothes. If you open your mouth to greet, everybody will just be shifting for you. Your colleagues in the office can't come close to you again when talking. That is halitosis, bad breath. Watching this video up to this point, you haven't subscribed to us of this channel. What are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel to stay informed and get updated with health information. Don't fail to make use of the notification bell. Okay, now that you've known what halitosis is all about, what should you do? to avoid these unpleasant reactions, unpleasant experience from friends, colleagues, and the embarrassment that comes with it. What should you do? Number one, practice good oral hygiene. Brush your teeth at least twice a day, in the morning and at night before going to bed, to save you that embarrassment. And secondly, learn to drink enough water. Stay hydrated, drink good water. Make drinking water like a lifestyle. So drink enough water regularly to lubricate your mouth and to dilute the bacteria that will have formed to give you halitosis or cause other health issues. And then thirdly, what should you do? Should you notice any sign of bad breath that you have not been having before, you practice good oral hygiene, you drink water, and you've not been having this halitosis or bad breath, what should you do? Endeavor to seek medical attention, because halitosis can be caused by other health issues that you don't know. Aside toothache, other health, underlying health issues, the other medical condition that can give you or that can cause halitosis. So when you notice this and you know you've not been having it before, what should you do? Seek expert care. Visit the health facility, see your health practitioner, and let him know what to do. And then the fourth thing to do is use mouthwash after eating or before you step out from the house, and you know you normally have bad breath, halitosis. Endeavor to use mouthwash before stepping out, before visiting friends, before visiting colleagues, to save you the stress of and the inconveniences or the embarrassment that might come with halitosis. And then the fifth thing to do is to visit the dentist from time to time, in order to know if there's any dental issues that can be taken care of. Periodically visit the dental clinic for regular check to know what might cause halitosis or bad breath. And if it's not a dental issues, you'll be referred to the appropriate place to be taken care of. And then the sixth and the last, I mentioned some food items, which is not all, that can cause bad breath. Now, you, aside the ones I've listed out, you also take time to observe or to list out other food that you know after eating that can cause halitosis, and then know what to do after eating those food. Give yourself proper care, give your mouth proper attention to avoid this whole stress. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel. If this is your first time seeing my video, please subscribe and also make use of the notification bell to stay informed. I love you guys, and to my returning subscribers, you guys are the VVIPs. I love you guys. Do have a blessed day and a wonderful time. Bye.